There's an issue, yet it isn't light. Or on the other hand sound. The Porsche's turbocharged on a level plane restricted 4-barrel wakes up with a fly through its two sizable focus-mounted fumes funnels and rapidly subsides into a cadenced drone as it shakes off the overnight chilly. Its tires pound over the cobblestones of the lodgings drive. It's glow we require. Also, espresso. Summer Pirellis require warmth to work, and still on California time, we are urgent for a twofold coffee. Until the point when they come, this 2018 Porsche Boxster GTS and Spain's icy, and sometimes antiquated, black top are an unpredictable blend. Only a couple of corners into the limited and bending two-path twisting through the beachfront slopes, and it ends up plainly clear the hold-on is a genuine issue. Unexpectedly, it appears that the Spanish have an adoration for off-camber corners, since they all are. PSM authoritatively remains for Porsche stability management, yet the framework is winning its moniker, please save me. Without its mediation, our turquoise two-seater would have just kissed the slope no less than twice, or more awful, it would have crushed through the spindly-looking rail that lines this trail and crushed its mid-motor self to bits on the stones underneath. Fortunately our caffeine Jones had been supplanted with a surge of endorphins activated by the instinctual want to live. With more daylight comes more grasp, and more speed. By 7:30 a.m., the street and the tires have picked up temperature and we're level out in one of the world's most noteworthy games autos on an epic, undulating motorway that ascensions toward the slope town of Algodosin, a pleasant desert spring of white stucco inside these dim green slopes. At the point when the 718 Boxster GTS and 718 Cayman GTS touch base at Merchants in March, they will be the most capable and the best performing machines in the organization's mid-motor lineup. Keep in mind, the Cayman GT4 is not any more accessible.